Starting a new life in Canada can be exciting but overwhelming. Here are essential apps every newcomer should have. Google Maps is crucial for navigating Canada's vast cities. It offers real-time directions and offline maps. The Transit app provides real-time updates for buses, trains, and streetcars across different cities. WeatherCAN offers hyper-local forecasts and alerts to help you prepare for Canada's unpredictable weather. Uber and Lyft offer affordable ride-sharing services for times when public transit isn't an option. ArriveCAN helps streamline the customs process by submitting travel and health information before entering Canada. SkipTheDishes, DoorDash, and Uber Eats connect you to local restaurants, providing real-time order tracking. Remitly and Wise offer low-fee, fast international money transfers, perfect for sending money back home. Kijiji is Canada's largest online classifieds platform for buying, selling, and finding local services. Tangerine and RBC Mobile simplify finance management, allowing you to deposit checks and track spending. Meetup helps you connect with people who share your interests, making it easier to build a social network. Duolingo is a fun way to learn English or French with gamified lessons to improve your language skills. Canva helps create digital copies of important documents, offering customizable templates and cloud storage. The Canada COVID Alert app provides anonymous exposure alerts and regional health updates. With these essential apps, you'll be ready to navigate life in Canada with ease. Which app do you think will be most helpful to you in Canada? Share your thoughts in the comments.